What is up, everyone? It's your girl Anne, and welcome back to the channel where we turn dreams into dollars and side hustles into main hustles. Okay, so let's get real for a second. We're all trying to build something, right? We've got big goals, big ambitions, but sometimes the how part is a little blurry. You want a business, but you want one that's reliable. Something that doesn't just depend on you making something new every single day. You want that sweet, sweet passive-ish income stream. Well, you have clicked on the right video, my friend. I've been deep in my research bag, I've crunched the numbers, and I've got the tea. Looking for a business idea that brings in steady income? Here are the top 15 rental businesses you can start in the USA and how much you could make from each. We are talking about renting out stuff you might already own or could invest in, and then sitting back while it makes money for you. It's like having a team of tiny employees working 24/7. So grab a notebook, get your thinking cap on, because we're about to go on a journey through the world of rentals. From party supplies to high-tech drones, I'm breaking down everything you need to know. The startup costs, the potential profits, and my pro tips to make sure you crush it. We're not just dreaming today, we're planning. Let's get into it. First up, construction and landscaping equipment. Think big. An initial investment can be steep, but renting out a single mini excavator can earn you thousands per month. Got a spare room or a second property? Listing on sites like Airbnb can turn that empty space into a cash cow, especially in tourist-heavy locations. The car rental market isn't just for the big guys. Using platforms like Turo, your personal vehicle can earn you hundreds of dollars while you're not using it. So this is honestly the definition of steady income. People will always need space for their stuff, right? High demand and low overhead make this a seriously stable business model. From bouncy castles for kids' birthdays to, elegant tents for weddings, the event industry is always booming. If you build a good reputation, you'll get tons of repeat customers. Okay, Halloween is your Super Bowl, but think bigger themed parties, theater productions, and comic conventions. Just keep your inventory unique and honestly, offer online booking for convenience. Alright, so tap into the eco-friendly and fitness trends. Set up near parks, beaches, or tourist trails. And offering guided tours is a great way to add value and honestly charge more. The creator economy is exploding. Renting out high-end cameras, lenses, and lighting to photographers and videographers can be super profitable. Just, be sure to get insurance. Serve your local community by renting out gear for skiing, kayaking, or team sports. Partnering with local schools and sports leagues can create a steady stream of clients. Homeowners are always starting new projects. Renting out power tools, ladders, and specialty equipment they only need once is a genius move. Offer delivery for extra points. Sustainable fashion is in, for sure. Let people rent designer dresses and handbags for special occasions. Your Instagram game and customer service have to be absolutely flawless for this one. Drones are used for everything now, from real estate photography to surveying. This is a high-tech niche with huge growth potential. Make sure you understand all the regulations. The van life and road trip trend is, honestly, stronger than ever these days. Renting out your RV or camper van during its downtime can literally pay for the vehicle itself. And then some. People just love their pets. You can rent out pet carriers for travel, recovery cones, or even pet strollers. But hygiene is non-negotiable, so make sure your cleaning process is totally top-notch. Businesses often need extra laptops for conferences, and students need them for projects. Renting out computers, projectors, and tablets is a smart B2B model with high-value clients. And there you have it, 15 incredible rental business ideas that could seriously change your financial future. We went from heavy machinery all the way to pet strollers, proving there's a rental niche for literally everyone. The key takeaway here is that you don't always have to reinvent the wheel. Sometimes the smartest move is to just own the wheel and rent it out to people who need it. It's about leveraging assets and creating systems that work for you. Remember, starting any business takes work. It's not just about buying the stuff. It's about marketing, customer service, and managing your inventory like a boss. But the potential for creating a reliable, scalable income stream is so real with these models. This isn't just about making money, it's about building a life on your own terms. And that is a powerful, powerful thing. I truly believe one of these ideas could be the one for you. So what do you think? With the right planning and management, any of these rental businesses could be your ticket to financial freedom. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more business ideas. I read every single comment, so let's chat about it. Until next time, keep hustling, stay inspired, and go build that empire. Peace out.